In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to N8n, a powerful automation platform. Let's dive into the process and make it as seamless as possible for you. First, let's get started by heading over to the N8n platform. It's a robust AI workflow automation platform that offers a wide range of tools to streamline your processes. Once you're on the N8n homepage, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process you can complete in a few minutes. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the N8n dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, click on Create Workflow. This option allows you to start setting up a new automated sequence that will help in integrating LinkedIn into your system. It might seem a bit complex at first, but just take it step by step, and you'll see it isn't so difficult. Once you're in the workflow creation mode, it's time to start building by adding nodes. Click on Add Nodes, which is essentially the blueprint of your workflow. Nodes in N8n are the individual steps or tasks that form part of your automation sequence. Next, you'll need to search for the LinkedIn node. To do this, simply type LinkedIn into the search bar. This functionality allows you to link your LinkedIn account to N8n, enabling the workflow to access and interact with LinkedIn's features directly. After finding the LinkedIn node in the search results, go ahead and select it. This action connects LinkedIn to your N8n workflow, setting the stage for the automation processes you want to implement. With LinkedIn linked, you can start automating tasks such as posting updates, managing connections, or analyzing engagement, which can significantly enhance your efficiency and productivity. With just these few steps, you're ready to start automating your LinkedIn interactions, saving you time and helping streamline your digital engagement. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and practice more with N8n's features to fully optimize its potential. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!